In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve video quality in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a soft, noisy, or low-resolution clip and make it look sharper, cleaner, and smoother, using the tools built right into Magnific. Start by opening Magnific on your desktop. From the left sidebar, head into Projects. This takes you to your workspace, where everything is organized. Next, open all assets so you can see every file associated with your projects in one place. Find the video you want to improve and select it to open its detail view. Move into the Edit tab, then choose Upscale. Upscaling is where Magnific enhances resolution and detail while preparing the clip for higher quality output. For this walkthrough, select the Precision option. Precision prioritizes accurate detail recovery and cleaner edges, helping avoid over-smoothing or artificial textures. Now choose a model. Different models specialize in different kinds of footage and problems. For this example, pick Topaz. It's a solid choice when you want natural-looking detail and improved clarity, especially on footage that started out a bit compressed or soft. Set your resolution next. Match it to your delivery needs 1080p, 4K, or beyond. But remember that pushing too far above the source can introduce artifacts. A moderate, goal-driven jump usually yields the best results. Then choose an enhancement model. Pick the option that best fits your clip, whether you need stronger noise reduction, finer edge detail, or a balanced enhancement. Set frames per second to align with your project. Staying with the original frame rate preserves motion exactly as shot, while increasing it can create a smoother look. If you do raise the frame rate, enable frame interpolation to generate the in-between frames. Use it thoughtfully to avoid motion artifacts on fast action. Open advanced settings for fine-tuning. Make small, deliberate adjustments here so enhancements look natural and consistent across the clip. When everything looks right, click Upscale Video. Magnific will process your selection and apply the improvements to your chosen asset, giving you a cleaner, sharper result ready to use in your project.